The Philippine National Police has deployed 18,000 personnel, including 1,000 covert operatives, implementation of a gun ban and potential signal jamming. This is to ensure heightened security for the upcoming Traslacion 2026. As Patrick De Jesus details more in this report.
1,000 covert operatives or plainclothes police officers are part of the Philippine National Police deployment for Traslacion 2026. This is for heightened security with an additional 800 police officers to be deployed as EOS, positioned close to the andas or carriage of the Black Nazarene. In total, 18,000 police personnel have been deployed, including force multipliers from other government agencies. According to National Capital Region Police Office Director, Police Major General Anthony Aberin, signal jamming may also be implemented in the vicinity of the procession, while a gun ban will be enforced across Metro Manila.
Yung procession naman kasi ay nakadepende po doon sa mga devotee kasi sila po yung humihila ng andas at sila po ang nagko-control ng flow ng activity. Hindi po si PNP, hindi po yung kapulisan natin.
Despite consecutive deployment since All Saints Day and the recent holiday season, the PNP assured that police personnel are not yet feeling fatigue. A total of 18 incidents of indiscriminate firing was recorded since December 16, 6 of which were reported on New Year's Eve itself. 4 of the suspects are police officers previously arrested who will face appropriate charges and may also be dismissed from the service. The PNP is also investigating viral online videos showing gunfire, but one of these was confirmed to have not occurred in the Philippines, but in Italy.
Ang indiscriminate firing po, it doesn't matter kung ang ginamit na armas ay license o hindi. Ang pinarurusahan ng batas, kapag ikaw ay nagpaputok, nag-cause ka ng panic, ng takot, ito ang pinaparusahan niya. It doesn't matter kung ang armas na ginamit mo ay license or not.
Patrick De Jesus from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.